Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got an M&C Condor. This is no false gates, 5 sliders and 5 top pins. 1, 2, let me make sure that tensioner's not binding against the core. Here we go. 1, 2, 4, 5, 2, 1, 4, 1 again is binding. There we go. We got our false set. Which tells us the top stack is picked. 1, 2, 3 is loose, 4 is binding. If we can get to 5. There we go. All right. Let's get this gutted. All right. Should be good enough. All right, we got 2. Oh, no, drop that. Let me put that back for now. And this 5, we'll just put it there. All right, we got 2 side control or key control pins that don't do anything. Let's drop our sidebar, our 2 sidebar springs. Trying to drop them out. Usually you can't keep them in, but you know. All right. I'm about pulled the sliders and made a mess, or pulled the key and made a mess, I should say. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's pull our 5 sliders. And I'm not going to pull the springs on these. We all know what springs look like. And the drivers are all these little hollow-ended barrel spools, which are kind of tricky for me, personally. Because even once you've set them, you'll get counter rotation. So if you don't know the lifts, and spend a lot of time, well, for me, spend a good bit of time working on it, you won't get anywhere. And you can see we got dual sidebar grooves. There's the springs. And I'll zoom in on these pins for you guys. Let's see. And we can see the little hollow drivers, and that none of the sliders have false gates on them. Alright guys, that's the MSC Condor. Thanks for watching.